Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to make Instagram account private. To make your Instagram account private, open up the Instagram app on your mobile device first, and then from the homepage of Instagram after logging in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After you open up your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now select the account privacy option under who can see your content. You will see private account button on the next page. Go ahead and toggle on the button right next to private account and click on switch to private in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your Instagram account to private. Now only people you approve can see your posts and stories. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.